Welcome to Wisdom RAG, my own local AI assistant, built with Python, Ollama, ChromaDB, and Streamlit. Unlike general-purpose AI assistants, Wisdom RAG answers questions only from the books that I choose. Let's ask the assistant a simple question. In this example, the assistant has access only to books written by the spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle. When I ask, "What is love?" it searches only within those books, retrieves the most relevant passages, and generates an answer based exclusively on them. Every response also includes citations pointing back to the original source documents. The assistant also supports follow-up questions, allowing the conversation to continue naturally while remaining grounded in the selected knowledge base. Now I'll ask exactly the same question, but this time the assistant searches only within books written by the spiritual teacher Osho. Because the knowledge source has changed, the answer reflects a different spiritual perspective, without mixing teachings from different authors. Alternatively, I can select multiple authors at the same time. In that case, the assistant searches across all of their books and generates a single answer based on the combined knowledge from the selected authors. This makes it possible to compare individual authors or explore common ideas shared across multiple books, while still remaining grounded in the selected source material. Let's compare this with ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates an answer using its broad general knowledge, which may include psychology, biology, philosophy, and many other fields. Wisdom RAG has a different purpose. Its answer is based only on the books that I selected. In this example, the response is derived exclusively from Eckhart Tolle's spiritual teachings, rather than from general world knowledge. The reason for this difference is simple. Wisdom RAG does not search the internet or rely on a general knowledge model. Instead, it searches only through the PDF books that I provide. Each author has a separate folder, making it easy to organize and customize the knowledge base. Internally, the application extracts text from PDF documents, creates vector embeddings using a local embedding model, stores them in ChromaDB, retrieves the most relevant passages, and finally generates an answer with a local language model running through Ollama. To reduce hallucinations, the application also includes a confidence filter. If relevant information cannot be found in the available documents, the language model is not executed, and the application reports that no supported answer is available. Wisdom RAG demonstrates how a fully local Retrieval-Augmented Generation system can provide transparent, private, and source-grounded answers using only user-selected documents. Thank you for watching and subscribe!